Brought the car in today, getting the calipers done into ceramic gold. They're powder coated with black at the minute. Right now at the workshop, gonna get these done in ceramic gold, and then we're gonna do one of these spokes in gold to customize it so we can match the gold on the calipers. So that would be the only customization to this side of the car. The D-chrome's gonna go on. This is the first step. FREAKEM. Basically, we're going to do one of these spokes in the matching brake caliper and also this badge, which will come out from the center there. We're going to sand it down, and then this is going to get sand down, and then we're going to put that at the finished touch, same as the calipers. If you look at that finish, the masking job, it's done perfect. The lads here, this is what we're doing here, customization on paintwork. Fully de-chrome the lip, the aluminium strip at the bottom, walking around the car. All the edges of the door frame have been done now. Even the sides there. The front lip also, just waiting on the grille. And the brows on the headlights have been done as well. Had the lights darkened. They were dark already, but then nothing beats going one grade on them. As you can see, it just makes the car look completely different. And also had the bottom lip done there, so the wrap, and these mirrors into the satin matte finish. So now the only colours on this car is Daytona grey and the satin wrap finish all the way through. For me, the only thing left to do now is the front grille. Once the front grille gets done, I'm contemplating just getting two stripes on the bonnet and the satin finish running down here. A wide one and a thin one next to it. That's going to be the last thing. I think that will be done once the grille goes in, so it runs off the grille. done. They're doing these in black. So as you can see, the headlights have been darkened, the reg, the spoiler, the top of the diffuser. Next, I think we're gonna dip this in black as well. Strictly Speedys, one-stop shop for all of your customized cosmetics. That's the setup we need in a car like this. It changes the whole look of the car. That's what we're doing here, customization. Where are you going, mate? Can you get back and finish your job off, mate? So now that's what we call a back end. We've done the exhaust on that side and this side, and the darkened headlights. We'll get the car on the floor and let's see how it looks from the top. So I think that's a great job. Got anything to say, mate?
Not really.
If you want your wrapping, you want customization, come here. Don't ask for him, ask for me. Freak him. We'll take you around the car on modifications. The rings, the bottom strip there, this aluminium panel that was on the side there going across the front, the lips, the shadows, that's it, the brows, the calipers, the nuts in the middle, the Audi badge, the sides here, the mirrors have been wrapped satin, same as the deep chrome all around the car, the door handles, the top, strip at the bottom of the side skirt, the aluminium strip that runs across there, the badges. The headlights have been darkened, one tint, the lip on the boot, that's the stance of the car, that's how it looks. Everything done in-house, Speedys. I've got the boys on it, got the lads on it. Done most of this work from the rims, the side skirts, the badges, even the exhaust tips that have been darkened, that give it the RS look. All done Speedys, worked alongside Roseau tints. But yeah, everything's getting done house in Customizze, Davinci and Speedys wheels. So if you guys need any work doing, you're local to Derby, you can drive down, book your car in. We'll get all the customization work done for you. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. So the diffuser is plastic grey at the minute. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna plastic dip this into gloss black, and then I'm gonna do the tips of the exhaust in gloss black. So that's it, that back end will be finished. So we'll show you how we're doing this here with the plastic dip and the exhaust Customizze. So we're gonna dip this, you can see the difference here. Right. It's more silky here, but we're filing it down here, sanding it down. Then it's going to get primed and then it's going to get dipped. So this is stage one. Okay, and team Customizze. Tell me what we've done so far then.
What we've done is we masked it up,
yep,
sanded it, we roughen it up a bit and primer. Plastic primer.
Okay. And now,
so what we're going to do now is as soon as it dries, we're going to wet sand in it so you smooth it down, and then we're going to go over in black. Gloss black.
That's all about Customizze. Jeez. Let's go. So as you can see, the tips are shinier now, gloss. So is the diffuser. Actual finish on the car, it actually matches the darkened headlights, the Audi badge, the tips. So it's a two-tone look now. And on the Daytona grey, that's the best look. So we've dipped the back bumper. The exhaust pipes have been glossed now, like the RS5, so they're shinier. So yeah, take it back and then roll it around. Car just needs a proper wash. No, the car's not been in an accident, thank God. It's just I'm on the bumper taken off. This grille was the old grille, and here you see, let's go this way around, get that bad boy on the car. Once that's on, it should change it to a complete facelift honeycomb grille. Let's come back to you when it's done.